this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper toe touch jack. So, step 1, you're going to start with your feet together, core engaged, shoulders down, relaxed. Step 2, jump your feet out so your feet are wider than your hip width apart and your arms are up, hands together at the top. Step 3, you're going to bring your feet together, jump back in, and then go down into your squat. So it's a narrow squat, low squat, tapping your toes. Couple things to remember. So make sure when you go down, you're not looking down, so that if you do that, you end up rounding your back. So keep your chest up, looking straight ahead, right here. If going all the way down, touching your toes, bothers your lower back or your knees, just go as low as you can, even down to your ankles or even down to your knees as low as you can, listening to your body. So once again, 1 and here, out and here, looking straight ahead, keeping your chest and your head up. Modify, if you don't want to jump, you can do this by toe tapping out to the side and then go down again as low as you can, up and down right here. This works your entire lower body and also your core. I would suggest doing about 10 repetitions to begin with, and then as you go on, you can increase the number by 15 and 20 or more. So that's it for today, toe touch jacks. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. And if you have any questions about how to do a certain exercise, if you're not sure on correct form, please write in the comments below and I'll make sure to film that for you next time. Thank you so much everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!